Have you ever felt that the more you share your life, the more vulnerable you become? The more you expose yourself, the more doors you open to judgment, envy, and sabotage. This isn't paranoia, it's a natural phenomenon of society. The world watches in silence, waiting for your downfall, your weakness, your mistake. But there's a silent and powerful path, one that few dare to follow. Disappear to be reborn. Today you're going to learn how to walk this transformative journey. We'll talk about how to disappear the right way, what to do in the shadows, and how to re-emerge as an elevated version of yourself. It's not about running from the world, but about creating a new world within you. A world shielded from the opinions of others. A world where only one voice matters, your own. If you're tired of living exposed, vulnerable, at the mercy of others' approval and judgment, this video will change your life. And listen, if you get any part of this wrong, especially the final stage, you could end up stuck in a cycle of frustration, resentment, and regression. So take a deep breath, stay focused, and come with me until the end. Part 1. How to disappear the right way. Silence is power. Words can betray you. How many times have you shared something only for it to be turned against you? Plans that were criticized, dreams that were mocked, pain that was passed around as gossip. From now on, you need to learn to master your tongue. Capture your thoughts before they escape your lips. Speak less, live more. Don't share your plans with those who don't build with you. Don't reveal your dreams to those who don't dream with you. Silence creates mystery, and mystery generates respect. When you become an enigma, the world watches closely. When you talk too much, you lose your value. Detach from the need for approval. Most people don't care about you, and those who do often have their own agendas. But the real problem isn't them, it's that you believe their opinion matters. You need to kill the part of you that lives off validation. Create a new standard of value, yourself. Ask yourself every day, would I respect myself if I saw myself from the outside? Am I proud of who I am right now? Mental freedom will only come when the only opinion that truly matters is your own. Hide your plans. Ambition is exciting. When you have a big plan, it's natural to want to share it with the world. But know this, every time you expose your intentions, you lose power. Your energy leaks. Your plan loses force. Imagine that every time you tell someone your goal, you lose 5% of the energy you need to execute it. The result? Just an idea, no execution. If you need guidance, choose the right people and say only what's essential. Beyond that, protect your projects like hidden treasure, because that's what they are, precious seeds that need silence and shadow to grow. Hide your progress. You're going to evolve, you'll change, you'll grow, and you'll feel like showing it off to the world. But hold back, wait. True greatness doesn't need a spotlight. It manifests through silent impact. Don't show off your new body. Don't flaunt your bank account. Don't announce your achievements too early. Let the world notice your growth through your results, not your words. This protects your energy and increases your impact. After all, when the world sees your evolution, it will be impossible to ignore. Until then, practice discipline in silence. Hide your pain. This journey is lonely. You'll feel exhausted, confused, frustrated. You'll have days of deep pain, and the impulse will be to run to someone and vent. But not every outburst heals. Some make you even more vulnerable. So turn your tears into fuel. Be your own refuge. Be your own therapist. Embrace the pain as part of the process. True growth is born in silence. What to do in the shadows? The most powerful phase of transformation. Now that you've disappeared from the spotlight, from social media, from meaningless chatter, it's time to reconnect with something many people fear, the creative void of introspection. This is sacred ground where the weak get lost and the strong transform. Define your final goal. You didn't disappear to hide. You disappeared to find yourself. So clarity is everything. Ask yourself, what do I really want to achieve in this new phase of my life? But go beyond the surface. Don't just say, I want to improve or I want to be happier. Be specific. Do you want a healthier body? A career aligned with your purpose? Real financial freedom? Total mastery of your mind? Be brutally honest and keep that goal to yourself. It's your anchor, your North Star, your personal sanctuary. Organize your life around progress. Every hour of your day needs to be aligned with your growth. Every choice, every habit, every small action. This phase demands a level of healthy obsession that few people have the courage to face. But that's what separates the ordinary from the extraordinary. Want a strong body? Live near a gym. Want to develop a skill? Sign up for courses, practice daily. Want to transform your mind? Read, study, meditate. Cut distractions. Control your time with discipline. Break down big goals into small, achievable steps. Transformation doesn't come from luck. It comes from structure and consistency. Reprogram your mind. The biggest transformation isn't physical, financial, or relational. It's mental. You need to learn how to find joy in the process, not just in the final reward. At first, it will hurt. You'll feel lonely. You'll question if it's worth it. But in time, you'll realize something magical. Freedom is born when you no longer need anyone to feel complete. Loneliness turns into wholeness. Discomfort becomes power. And silence becomes your new meditation. How to reappear if you even want to. You might not even feel the need to reappear, because when you go deep within, you find something far more valuable than others' approval, the peace of being whole. But if you do want to return, there's a right way to do it. Reappear without noise. Don't announce it. Don't justify it. Just be. Your new mindset, your new body, your new presence. It will all speak for you. When you return without needing to explain, the world understands. Something changed, and it changed for real. Maintain the mystery. Many make the mistake of showing everything once they level up. Don't fall for that trap. Stay selective. Stay mysterious. Preserve your peace. Protect your energy. Not everyone deserves to know how you got here. Remember, what is rare is precious, and what is precious must be protected. Keep evolving. Never stop. The biggest mistake of winners is thinking the game is over. Mediocrity begins the moment you get comfortable. So when you hit one goal, set another. Keep the fire alive. The pursuit isn't for perfection, it's for continuous expansion. You've made it this far, and that already puts you in a place where few remain. Most retreat when faced with silence. They run from introspection. But you stayed. You grew. You strengthened in silence. And now you're ready for the most important thing. To live a protected life with purpose and without needing to prove anything to anyone. True strength lies in the invisible. The world screams. You stay calm. The world shows off. You build. The world reacts. You observe. Now you know that true power isn't about being seen. It's about being untouchable. It's about being focused, disciplined, and unshakable. The shadows are your home. Silence is your fortress. While others drown in their need for approval, you walk steadily with your eyes fixed on your mission. And even if no one sees it, the universe does. Life rewards those who persist in silence. If you choose to reappear, let it be with purpose, with presence, with peace. And never forget, your progress doesn't need to be proven. Your transformation doesn't need to be explained. Your success doesn't need to be announced. The best response is the impact you create, not the attention you seek. Keep walking. Keep growing. Keep being invisible until the world can't ignore your light anymore. Final message to the motivation. You need community. If this message touched your heart, it's because you're already ready. Ready to live a new chapter. A silent, powerful, and deep chapter. If you feel that this is your moment, comment below. I choose to grow in silence. Let this be your anchor, your affirmation, your commitment. And if you want to continue this journey with us, subscribe now to the Motivation You Need channel. Here, in every video, you'll find tools, ideas, and reflections to help you become your greatest version. We're together, in the light, and above all, in the shadows.